Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by treating the graph as directed. Make sure adjacency lists and node indices are ready. Start a depth-first search from an unvisited node, marking visited as you go. When recursion returns from a node, push it onto a stack to record finish order. This captures the relative exit times that Kasaraju needs. Once done with one component, continue picking unvisited nodes and repeat until every node has been processed, and the stack holds nodes by decreasing finish time. Once the stack is full with finish order, reverse every edge to build the transpose graph. This flips reachability and isolates components. Reset your visited flags, then pop nodes from the stack one by one. Each pop gives a leader candidate. Run DFS on the transpose from that node. Every node reached in this search belongs to the same strongly connected component. Make sure to mark them visited so they are not processed again. Continue popping and exploring until the stack is empty. You finish by collecting each DFS tree from the transpose as a distinct SCC and storing them, typically keyed by the leader node. Verify that the collection partitions all nodes with no overlap and that each SCC is internally reachable. If sizes or counts seem wrong, make sure the initial finish order stack was correct and that every edge was reversed exactly once. Rerun the first DFS or the transpose construction if needed to fix ordering or reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.